I'm talking about properties that helps prevent your skin from aging fast. That's nice. I mean, you don't want to age fast. Who wants to freaking age fast? What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel and to the very first video of 2023. Hi guys, if this is the very first time you're seeing this pretty face, my name is Okwemi and I create content around lifestyle, self-development, resourceful locations and also reviews. So please click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel and join the family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Guys, in today's video we will be talking about the Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. I mean, if you are a skincare person, I'm sure you've already heard about this product. You've heard about the noise when it comes to COSRX products. So this is a snail mucin from the Cosrx brand, and this is a K beauty skincare product. I'm sure the very first question that will be on your mind is, what is a snail mucin? Well, snail mucin is snail secretion. Yes, exactly what you're thinking. You know that slimy stuff that snail leaves behind when they are crawling? That is snail mucin. So this is snail mucin. I'm sure the next question on your mind right now is, why would anybody want to put snail secretion on their face? Like, why would you want to put that slimy stuff that snail leaves behind on your face? Okay, calm down. I have been using this product for 3 months, and that is why I feel like, okay, it's time for me to talk about it and share my experience with you guys. The very first thing I would have you know is that snail mucin has antioxidant properties. What are antioxidants? Antioxidants are properties that helps prevent your skin against environmental aggressors like the sun and pollution. Yes, it helps prevent your skin against the things that can actually damage your skin. Also, antioxidants has anti-aging properties in it. I'm talking about properties that helps prevent your skin from aging fast. That's nice. I mean, you don't want to age fast. Who wants to freaking age fast? You don't want to age fast, and I mean, it would be nice to have a product that helps you to not age fast. That is not all. Another thing we have to know about snail mucin is that it has hyaluronic in it. Hyaluronic is a very good ingredient when it comes to hydrating your skin, the reduction of fine lines and appearance of wrinkles. It also helps keep your skin plump, glowy, smooth and healthy. I mean, isn't that cool? Isn't that freaking cool? Having your skin just looking fresh, smooth, nice, and I know you like that. I know you freaking like that. So these are more are the benefits of the Cosrx Advanced Snail mucin. I'm sure somebody's probably thinking, what if I just go outside and pack all the snail on my street? I'll put it on my face. Calm down. That brings us to the next question. Are any snail harmed in the process of collecting this product? No, darling. No snails are harmed in the process of producing this product. This product is cruelty free. What they do is that they put the snails in a dark room on a mesh, and they just allow the snails to, you know, crawl over the mesh, and the secretion the snails leave behind on the mesh, they pack it, they gather it and process it, which now becomes what we have in this bottle. What we have in this bottle. So yeah, that is how the process of production is done. No snails are harmed in the process, so you can have your mind at peace. Okay, now the next question that might probably be on your mind is that, can I use this? Is it for my skin type? Is it for someone like me? I have a very sensitive skin, yada 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 yada. Okay, the good news is that any skin type can actually use this product. It is just as similar to hyaluronic acid serum, which property is mainly to hydrate your skin. This product is also an humectant. It helps you hydrate your skin and also have a lot of other great benefits. And it is very good for all skin type. Oily skin can use it, dry skin can use it, combination skin can use it. What other skin do we have? I mean, sensitive and all that, those are skin conditions and not skin type. But anybody can use it, except you have a very rare skin condition that does not allow for, you know, snail secretion. So you might have to want to make research into your skin type, your skin conditions, and be sure that you can use this. But a vast number of people can actually make use of this Cosrx Advanced Snail mucin. Now to my own personal experience. Like I said, I have been using this product in the last 3 months, and I have seen great improvement with my skin overall texture. I've seen improvement with the smoothness of my skin. I've seen improvement with how well hydrated my skin is. It just sinks perfectly into my skin. After cleansing, after I cleanse, like, you know, washing my face, that's when I go in with this product, and then I go in with a niacinamide and then a face cream for sunscreen if I'm wearing it in the morning. But if it's in the evening, I don't bother going with sunscreen. Anyways, if you actually want to see how I make use of this product to get the best benefit of it, now let me know in the comment section so that I can do a video showing you how I layer this product alongside other products. But I'm actually looking to do a full skincare video, you know, showing you all my routine. But I don't know, just let me know if you actually want to see how I layer this product alongside other products. Also let me know in the comment section if you know this product, if you're using this product, or if you're also looking to try this product anytime soon. I also hope that this review would be able to help you with making the decision if you want to go ahead and use this product or not. Now we have come to the end of this video. Please like this video if you find it useful. Also do not forget to share with family and friends and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, join the family. I have a lot of good stuff for you guys this year, so please join the family and you're going to enjoy it on here. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. I love you.